Welcome to the guide on using the multi-channel ion image viewer application on Metaspace. Head over to the annotations page and pick any ion you'd like. Click the channels button at the top right, just above the image. This will open the multi-channel ion image viewer mode. You'll see a color scale applied to your ion image. Want to view a different ion? Just pick another one from the results table. To add a different ion with its own color scale, click on Add Ion Image. Then select the desired ion from the results table. Let's pick another. You can keep adding as many channels as you need. If you've already selected a channel but want to switch to a different ion, just click on that channel in the viewer. And simply select another ion from the table. Once you're happy with your selection, let's explore more options in the viewer. The easiest one is to show or hide a channel by clicking the eye icon next to it. Once clicked, the channel will be hidden, and you can toggle it as much as you want for any channel. Another handy feature is changing channel colors. Just click the three dots below the color scale for any channel. Then simply select a new color. Now, let's move on to adjusting the color scale. You can drag the maximum or minimum tick along the scale to adjust the intensity for that ion, without changing the other channels. If you want to lock the intensity across channels, you'll see two lock icons next to the minimum and maximum intensity for each channel. Clicking the left lock will set the minimum intensity for all other channels to the same value. You'll see a tick mark next to the lock for all channels once clicked. Let's do it for another channel. Click on the right lock to set maximum intensity for all channels. When you're finished with all your adjustments, just click the download button at the top left of the image viewer to save your multi-channel ion image. To return to the normal view and remove channels, just click the three dots icon below the channel you want to remove. Then click Remove. Once you remove all the channels and only one is left, just click the channel viewer again to exit the channel viewer mode. And voila, you're back to where it all began. Thanks for following along. We hope this helps you get the most out of the multi-channel ion image viewer. Have fun exploring, and see you next time.